Maraming nagulat sa bagong role ni Kim Chiu sa bagong pelikula niyang or sa bagong teleserye niyang Linlang, mga kaibigan. Ang sabi ni Alt Kapamilya Channel Okua dito, ibang-iba ang atake ni Kimi dito, bigatin pa ang mga artista, ang galing nilang lahat. Excited for Linlang. Ano ba kasi ang storya ng Linlang at ano ang role mo dito? Princess Kimi, Chinita Princess of Filipino.
Bakit pala? Bakit pala biglaan yata yung uwi mo?
So, sana kayong satrasayan ni Abby.
Huwag kang magdadala ng gulo sa buhay namin, ha? Lalo na sa kapatid mo.
Bira ako makakuha ng case na ang babae ng loloko.
Kapag ang babae naghanap ng iba, emosyonal ang pinanggagalingan yan.
Hello?
Asan ka na? Sumal ka na ba?
Oo, tatawagan na lang kita pagkatapos ha.
May rason kung bakit nagsinungaling sa akin si Juliana at aalamin kung sino talagang totoong kabit niya.
Ayun. So, ang tao dito si Kim Chiu, nagkaroon ng kabit, nagkaroon ng karelasyon outside of her marriage. Ano kaya ang mga nakakatakot na senaryo or scenes sa bagong teleserye ni Kim Chiu? Ganun talaga, no? Ang trend ng teleserye ng Pilipinas, no? Medyo nakakaano lang siya, nakaka-disappoint. Kung hindi kakabit, ikaw yung nangangabit. At kung hindi broken marriage, it's about ano yun? Ang pangit, no? Sorry lang. I think kailangang baguhin ang mukha ng teleserye ng Pilipinas. It's all about violence. Hindi karahasan, just like, look at the Batang Quiapo. It's always killing, hurting people, and now here is Linlang. It's about being a mistress, having a very complicated marriage life. Parang parang wala na bang mas magandang teleserye na gawin, just like, 'di ba? Sorry ABS-CBN, pero yun lang nakita ko. I don't know. Anong meron sa mga writers, directors and producers ng teleserye ng Pilipinas at bakit ganito ang klase ng mga teleserye nowadays? So, diba? But then, yes, anyways, good luck, Kimi, and you are moving forward sa career mo, sa acting career. Hindi ka na patwitams ngayon, hindi na comedy, hindi na horror. Nandito ka na sa point ng buhay mo na kung saan tinanggap mo ang hamon, ang challenge ng pagiging asawa, may bahay sa pelikula, and pagiging kabit. Maybe it's a good challenge for you, but the story is like, but anyways, it's your choice. Alexander Lexter Jules, sorry po. Ako lang po yun. I'll see you later for more.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior.